Welcome back to the channel. Bit of point of view driving today. I've got with me my son. Say hello. Hello. Just doing a bit of standard driving back home after picking him up, so nothing fancy. And I need to go to the petrol station at some point as well. Not right now. We don't have many fast roads around where we live. So it's more of a daily drive. Some people will recognise where we are because that's the tram tracks to my right and a big sign that says Fleetwood. Everybody likes my red dash that I've finally installed. Would have seen it on my previous video. How's the view looking on the camera there, Adam? See the road all right? Probably can't hear it on camera, but I've still got the dump valve fitted after I'd fitted the recirc valve. I can hear both. I've got a throttle body spacer and the cold side boost pipe to replace. I've already got them and I just need to fit them, which means the dump valve will be removed. and I'll put it up for a competition because it's got a 25mm fitting and will fit on other cars. It's a forged dump valve and it's in good condition. It's not done a lot of miles, so once I've took it off, I'll give it a clean and I'll put it up for a competition for someone to win. Petrol stations around here that I use, so there's one closer to home, that a Shell one for the V-Power, so that's the one I'll be using later on. Coming up, Hell's Angels style. Not sure everyone's going to see me with my camera on my head and have a good laugh. Traffic's horrendous and it's only 25 to 2. A lot more videos are going to happen because I'm just having the driveway done at home, so as I said in a previous video, a lot of my work's done on the roadside, which isn't completely legal if you look into the bylaws of your county councils and stuff. So driveway should be up and running in the next 6 weeks. I'm just waiting for the council to actually drop the curb. So I've got a few jobs to do. Throttle body spacer and the boost hose, which I've already said. I need to replace my power steering pump, and I've got another one that I want to do, which is going to put the cat amongst the pigeons and split opinions. But I'll leave that for another video. brand spanking new roundabout that everybody hates because there's been more accidents here. It's supposed to ease congestion, but it's even worse because nobody knows which lane to go in. And they've put filtering as you go over here, which is about 3 foot long. So how do you filter into that? You'll see it in a second, folks. Look, there's nowhere to filter. It actually stops, and you get this, like this idiot here. On camera. There you go, prime example. I'll be putting that on the internet separately, but I'll leave it in the video. Bullied his way in because he's a police transporter, because why else would you have red flashing lights?